Can you imagine how many things you can do with the smart LED strips?
Get into action with NeoDigitos. It is a product created as an alternative for conventional 7-segment displays or for a LED matrix, with the advantage of being much more attractive and easy to use by inheriting all the characteristics of the addressable RGB LED strips, also known as NeoPixels.
They are ready to use with Arduino and ESP. It's enough to connect as many as you need, some programming, and you will have all set to give a colorful look to your projects. Its library has been integrated in such a way that it is easy to write text without dealing with multiplexing, necessary in conventional displays. In addition, you can set them up with multiple color effects, so you can use them in a variety of projects like a colorful alarm clock, a game score counter, even as a bicycle turn signals, and in multiple sensing experiments. Currently, they are good for counting the capacity of public establishments or as a Pomodoro clock for work. You can use them in everything you can imagine.
Check more about our project, help us, and enjoy the rewards we have prepared for you.